Hello guys, today I'm going to be telling you about the three types of rainfall. The first one I'll start off with is convectional rain. Convectional rain is basically the normal sort of rain that happens in Dubai. Because the sun, it's sunny around here, the sun heats up the ground, the grass, mostly the grass, and then the water inside the grass is evaporated and is taken into the atmosphere, where it's turned into a cloud. Then the cloud, it gets heavy. Then it creates water droplets that causes rainfall. This sort of rain is very likely in Dubai. It happens a lot in Dubai, and it happens in it happens in countries that have a lot of green, such as US, UK, Canada, and many other countries. Alright, hello. Okay guys, I mentioned the grass. Now let's talk about the trees. The trees also carry a lot of water because they need water to survive. So water is also vaporized from the leaves of the trees and then taken into the atmosphere. Same process, gets turned into water droplets, rain falls. This sort of rain is very likely. It is the highest percentage of rain. Alright, I'll show you the other forms of rain. Come on. The second form of rain is called relief rain. Relief rain happens when the ocean, such as the Gulf Ocean for us in Dubai, it is heated up. The water inside it is condensed. Then the air is forced to be risen. It rises over the cold air, stays in the atmosphere for a large amount of time, creates clouds, major clouds. That sort of rainfall is very unlikely. It's really rare for that sort of rainfall to happen. It usually happens in countries that have a large coastline, like Dubai, like the UAE. They have a huge coastline, so that sort of rain is extremely likely. But it'll form clouds, it'll cover the sun, but it is really rare that it will rain. That's why it hardly rains in Dubai. Okay guys, I mentioned the grass. Now let's talk about the trees. The trees also carry a lot of water because they need water to survive. So water is also vaporized from the leaves of the trees and then taken into the atmosphere. Same process, gets turned into water droplets, rain falls. This sort of rain is very likely. It is the highest percentage of rain. Alright, I'll show you the other forms of rain. Come on. The second form of rain is called relief rain. Relief rain happens when the ocean, such as the Gulf Ocean for us in Dubai, it is heated up. The water inside it is condensed. Then the air is forced to be risen. It rises over the cold air, stays in the atmosphere for a large amount of time, creates clouds, major clouds. That sort of rainfall is very unlikely. It's really rare for that sort of rainfall to happen. It usually happens in countries that have a large coastline, like Dubai, like the UAE. They have a huge coastline, so that sort of rain is extremely likely. But it'll form clouds, it'll cover the sun, but it is really rare that it will rain. That's why it hardly rains in Dubai. Alright. Remember earlier I said there were three types of rain? Well, I was wrong. There are four types of rain. Only three types happen in Dubai. The one I'm going to mention now is the fourth type. I'm not going in order, so don't judge me. So, the fourth type of rain is called cyclone rainfall. This is caused when warm tropical air meets cold polar air. It causes this boundary where a cyclone is created. During that cyclone, major rainfall happens. Major rainfall. This happens only in a few areas that are close to the North Pole, as it's north cold air that's interacting with this. And the warm tropical air comes from beaches and so on. So, this sort of rainfall is extremely dangerous. When this happens, a lot of houses are destroyed, major floods are caused, so on and so forth. The reason this is the most dangerous type of rainfall is it causes this tornado, you could say a cyclone. This cyclone can go to extreme speeds and take out houses as if they're nothing. like a pack of cards. It flies away in the wind. Houses fly away in cyclones. All right. So that's the most dangerous type of rainfall. All right. So the final type of rainfall, which is the third type, which I'm mentioning now, is frontier rain. So you guys must be wondering, why is it called frontier rain? Cyclone rain is kind of obvious because it's as cyclones created, so rainfall happens. Relief rain is created because the ocean heats up, and it's the rain that's formed from it's for the relief. I have no idea if that made sense. So why is this called frontier rain? The reason is, let's take UK for this example. UK lies on a boundary where cool air and warm air meet, but that boundary has no major damage. But until the warm air forces its way into the cool air, that creates a front. It's shown as an arc on a weather map. The front line of the arc is now called as the leading wind, which is the warm air. The back line of the arc is the cold wind, so the cold air. That it's called a frontier wind because of that. So when this is created, it causes rainfall, a lot of rainfall. That is why UK has major amount of rainfall, as it's near a coastline, so it can have relief rain. It is at a boundary where it can get major rainfall from frontier rain and conventional rain. These three rains can happen there, but cyclone rain is less likely to happen near UK, as the cyclone passes through UK, does not interfere towards UK. It passes through. All right, so that would be it. See you later. Come on with me. Come on. Slowpoke. So we've talked about all three types of rainfall. Sorry, all four types of rainfall: relief rain, cyclone, conventional, and frontier rain. All four of these rains. There only a few happen in Dubai, not all of them. The one that happens most in Dubai is relief rain, so we know that. So at the moment I'm in Safa Park. Here is a great example of why why conventional rain could happen here. You see, there's a lot of greenery there. Focus on the greenery, you idiotic cameraman. There's a lot of greenery here. There's a lot of grass, a lot of trees. So this can allow conventional rain. And why are you following me? And it can also cause relief rain because we are surrounded by water. You go anywhere, we are surrounded by water. The Gulf Ocean surrounds us, so we can have a lot of relief rain. But relief rain has this little boundary where it is too much, and it won't happen quite often. It'll only happen like a small percentage chance of it happening. All right, so that's it. Alright, fine, so we know about all types of rain. So each rain is caused by a different phenomenon. And my cameraman got bored, and so he's walking away. He's a very nice cameraman. So, what else do I have left to tell you? Climate change. That's the main thing about our project, of our topic. So this is just one section of it. Climate change is a huge thing. As if climate change happens everywhere, we're all in major trouble. So I thought of telling you guys what would happen if in Dubai there was major rainfall. We all have minor rainfall compared to a lot of countries. So if Dubai would have major rainfall, this is what would happen. Dubai is unprepared. They do not have they're basically not ready. Because they don't have drains on the sides of the roads. They basically have the city designed to be a warm country, a hot country, not even a warm country, a hot country. So, if climate change does happen, it will be a major problem everywhere, the countries that are ready for cold weather will be experiencing hot weather. The countries that are that are prepared for cold weather will be experiencing warm weather, and countries prepared for warm weather will be experiencing cold weather. So basically, climate change is a good thing and for some people, but not good for major people. For example, it'll help in growth of crops. It'll help in growth of food. It might solve water problems in a few countries, but overall, it will cause major problems. And my cameraman's here to annoy me again.
Hey guys.
Alright, so that's been Zagam. I'm out. Why is this thing still recording? Oh well.